Well, here's my tiny shack. That's my Oolong voice.
It's good. It's pretty spot on.
Oolong's weird.
He's a
Anyway,
very weird character.
Wild Guns. Wild Guns and possibly talking about Dragon Ball.
It's a kind of tea, you know. Oolong.
What?
Oolong's a type of tea.
Oolong's a type of tea. Like a Japanese tea?
Maybe.
Alright.
There you go. Mind blown.
See, I thought an Oolong was a shape.
I don't know.
It might be oblong, actually.
I think of obtuse. It's an angle.
Okay, that's... Wait. That's not how it's meant to work.
Oh, sick. It's 2-player.
Yeah, I know.
Hell yeah.
I had to...
I thought I was just going to be watching.
Nah, it's fine.
But yeah.
Okay, you'll play too.
Oh,
Do you want me to explain it?
Annie.
Do you want me to explain the controls?
Yes, please.
Okay, so it's either this or this to shoot. I don't really remember.
Okay, that's good.
If you tap shoot twice, you do like a special move.
Mm-hmm.
And one of the buttons is your special attack.
So when you say explain the controls, which one does which? Like, I'm not sure.
I think it's one of these two that shoots.
Okay.
And then...
So, sorry,
this...
say it again. So when you press it twice, it does a special attack?
Yeah, like you
Yeah.
throw a lasso and it stuns people.
Okay, nice one. What's the other ones do?
Screen kill, like a big boom.
Okay.
Yeah, there you
Are we
go.
versing each other or are we playing the same thing?
Co-op. I'm gonna be... Also, there's a puppy. But he plays different, and so does Doris.
Whoa, that's a big bummer.
Like, Doris uses... I'm gonna be Annie, so you can be Clint or whatever. Doris and Bullet are a bit different.
Okay.
Okay, let me try and
Doris
remember
and City.
what button it was to shoot. Okay, so it's the X button to shoot and A to jump for you, basically. Tap.
What do we jump for? What's the purpose?
Bullets! That's right, they exist. Shoot the men, by the way.
Yeah, do that.
Watch out! Watch out! Oh, you got him. Good.
This is fun.
Oh, damn it, I wasn't paying attention. So you gotta cover each other's backs and stuff.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Also, you can shoot signs and stuff. It's pretty cool.
Can you do you have to reload or anything?
I don't think so. Oh, also, if you yeah, that's the lasso.
Yeah.
Fuck. Okay. Oh, I got a shotgun. Nice.
How'd you get that?
I picked it up. There's like little power-ups that the men drop and stuff. So like, when Lookout's over here, look out! A man! Okay, whatever.
I don't know. It's hard to like get the thing like.
If you shoot, if you're holding like auto fire and you press jump, you dodge. By the way, and also there's a double jump. Oh,
Whoa.
I was so him. Oh, I missed. Shit! No, I'm dead. Oh,
It's weird how you move and then you also control the aiming with the same thing. You know?
yeah, kinda.
It makes it a bit hard.
The thing is, I can't actually see what our live count right now. I feel like there should be a There should be a button to lock you in place.
Yeah, that's what I'd like.
That isn't the shoot button.
Bec-
Oh fuck, these guys suck. Don't get in front of those, they will kill you. I'll laser him. Look out! Well, me, that is. You're doing a lot better than Mum does.
Well, I'll take that as a compliment.
Oh, there's a man.
Not a man.
Man with a knife.
Uh-oh.
Like on the bus!
Oh shit. Oh shit!
Did you just die?
They explode.
The dynamite? Yeah, they do.
Who would have thought?
You can actually pick up the dynamite.
How?
By pressing A. X, in your case. But
The shoot
I think-
button.
Yeah, the shoot button. So you like pick it up and throw it.
Okay, I think I'm like actually dead now.
Yeah, you've game over.
That's fun.
Well, you might be back next stage. I just gotta get through these guys. Oh. He's the boss! He crawls along the floor like a doofus.
This is just a man in a suit. What's his like power?
His power is that he shoots you. He's like a mob butt.
He's a gangster.
Oh, fucking hell, really? Ugh.
We gotta try that again.
Well, of course. Oh, it was Bullet down there. Wait. Oh, there's no continue option for that. Same characters or
Yeah.
different? Alright,
We'll have to do the same. Clint.
Good old Clint Nanny.
Dynamite team.
Quick! Quick! Shoot. Oh, you already shot the open sign. There's like more shit you can shoot. Watch out for the man!
I'm shooting him. Oh, fuck off.
You don't shoot the men with knives, you counter them.
How do you counter?
Like when they get up to you, there was a shotgun up there and I missed it.
So, can you say it again? When you get up to them. How do you counter?
Ah, you just press shoot. It's actually pretty simple.
Great information. 10 minutes ago.
Oh, yeah! Look whose fault it is for not experimenting with the controls. I tell you the basics, you learn the rest, boy.
Well, I somehow killed him the first time. What the fuck? What happened there?
Dodge, remember? See? Yeah. You don't mash it, you just hit it.
Yeah, no, I got it.
I'm gonna...
We swapped sides.
Hooray. Hooray? Is that meant to be good?
It's not really meant
Shoot
to be
him!
anything.
Robots! Oh, they exploded.
Oh, this
I'll
guy.
lasso him. Oh, I missed. Shit.
Oh, how did he kill me?
Because he has guns.
He's
Oh, and I'm out of shit. Remember, you press B to dodge, and that dodges anything, I think.
But, oh yeah, true.
It's like a quick dodge. And jumping dodges, too. So, like, when you see... Well, you found your special! What button was that? Was that the left
top
one?
one.
Okay, I thought it was the top one. See, dynamite, just fucking toss it at them. Yeah, I seriously would like if there was
A lock button.
a lock button, because
Yeah,
the cursor
true.
sometimes doesn't go fast enough.
Well, if you're on the other side of the screen and you got an enemy coming towards you, it's quite difficult.
See this? Boom! Oh, it didn't get them. Yeah. What do I even hit them with? Uh-oh. Get him! Uh-oh. Get... Shit. I thought I jumped out of that, but I guess I didn't. Wait, how do I get a game over? Oh, that's right, I forgot. It's a shared live system. Well, I'm an idiot. Just, okay. I forgot about the part about how it's a shared live system.
Okay. It's pretty annoying, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, indeed.
Should we stick with the same characters?
I don't know. I mean, Doris is a little easier. But, you know. But she's, like, controls differently, too. She doesn't have a lasso, she has, like, 3 dynamites.
Oh, fuck it. Give it a crack.
Yeah,
Girl
man.
power.
Girl power. I find sexism bullshit.
And how so?
Sorry, feminism. Because they're like, oh, everything is different, you know. Oh, there's a gap. What gap? There's no gap.
Be careful here, mate. You're gonna into very... This is a shit character. There's no like a shoot button.
Well, I told you.
She just throws dynamite. What? How do I...
How do you what?
How do I keep dying? What's happening?
Bullets.
Ooh, that's cool.
You see, I told you, she throws dynamite. And her lasso is like 3 dynamites. Oh, get him! Or whatever that is. But I think the thing is that she has like a bigger hitbox or something, I don't know. Pop. Oh, god damn it. You've already lost.
That's a new low.
You've already fucked up.
I think I prefer Clint.
Yeah, Clint and Annie are like the 2 original ones. I'll give you some backstory, right?
Yeah, go on.
This game was a game that was originally on Super Nintendo,
Okay.
but like, okay, yeah. But this is like a remake. So like, Bullet and Doris weren't in the original.
Mm-hmm.
It's still a great game though,
It's fun.
you know. You should probably go back to Clint.
Yeah, I think that we had the most success.
You know,
My boy.
my boy. So like, what's I even saying? Oh yeah, Bullet and oh god, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh god, I'm gonna sneeze. Sneeze. Okay.
Let's see. Alright, now you push me.
Okay. You died. You fool. You fool.
That dodge button doesn't work for me.
Are you pressing A or? It's like single press. You gotta like
Yeah.
be shooting to do it.
Ah. Okay. Fuck. Mate.
Also, you can shoot bullets, but it's hard to do and stuff. I don't know. What killed me there?
Whoa.
I know, laser. It's cool, isn't it?
Freaking laser beams.
There are no sharks involved though, so that doesn't really work.
I'm glad you got the reference. Take that. It's hard to press the dodge button like very far away.
Well, not really. You just use your thumb. Use the bottom part of your thumb. The thing is, there's like a way to shoot the bullets.
That is a sick.
G-gun! I got the laser. Watch out, dynamite! Good job. Okay. Oh man! Okay. Holy shit, that's a bunch of money. Do I shoot it? Oh, okay. Watch out! Well, I don't. I guess that doesn't actually affect you. You know, we're not going to beat the boss.
Don't say that.
Well, we're going to beat this guy, obviously. But yeah, actually. Woo! Good call.
That's what I'm talking about.
We're not going to beat this guy, though.
Oh shit.
There's no break.
He's the final part. Shoot his head, quick! But seriously though, watch out. See? Man, I'm dead. So,
Wow,
no hopers.
That's a tough one.
No hopers.
How are you supposed to like dodge that?
With seriously quick thinking.
I do not possess that kind of thinking.
Well, I don't either, so what's the point? You can't even have infinite life mode in multiplayer.
That's fucked. Can you, big girl?
Dude, they're totally gonna bone later.